Hey there, Aussie gardeners. Whether you're in a warm temperate region like Sydney or Melbourne or Perth, or a cold temperate region like Canberra or Tasmania, I've got you covered this season. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. There's a whole variety of vegetables you can plant to keep your garden in the green. Stick around because I'll not only walk you through what to plant, but also share some water-saving tips to help your garden stay healthy while being mindful of Australia's precious water resources. If you're in warm, temperate areas, February is a brilliant time to get growing. The warmer weather opens up a wide range of options for your garden. Start with root crops like beetroot, carrots, radishes, and turnips. These veggies are easy to grow. They don't take up much space and can handle the heat well. Sow them in directly into the soil or a layer of compost mulch for the best results. Or start them inside. That's what I do with most of my seeds. Leafy greens is another one, like kale, silverbeet, spinach, lettuce, and rocket are great choices to start planting now. They're fast growing and versatile. They're perfect for everything from salads to soups. Just make sure to keep their soil moist as they can bolt in high heat or when stressed. Broccoli, cabbage, and kohlrabi thrive in this climate and are excellent additions to any garden. Do you call them what do you call them? Calabrese? Do you guys call them calabrese? As seedlings for a head start and space them out properly to avoid overcrowding. For a unique touch, try fennel with its licorice type flavor, or zucchini, the summer star that's high yield and easy to grow. Just remember, zucchini needs plenty of space to sprawl, so don't plant it too close to other vegetables. Okay, now if you're in colder temperate regions, I know what that's like. No, I don't. That's probably warmer. If you're gardening in cooler areas like Tasmania, you're in luck because February is still prime time to plant. Cooler temperatures are perfect for certain vegetables that thrive in these conditions. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, rocket lettuce, Asian greens like mustards or wasabi rocket are perfect for the cooler weather. These greens grow quickly and provide a steady supply of fresh, nutritious produce. Broccoli, calabrese, or cabbage and kohlrabi love the chiller weather also, making them staples for cold, temperate gardeners. They're hearty, nutritious, and can be used in a variety of dishes. Beetroot, carrots, radishes, and turnips thrive in cool soil. Carrots and radishes are quick to mature, while turnips and beetroot provide both edible roots and leafy tops. Fennel does well in cooler climates, offering a unique flavor to your garden. Basil, though more of a summer herb, I forgot how you guys pronounce it. Herb, no, it's herb. You can say herb. Can also grow in sheltered, sunny spots for a taste of summer in your cold, temperate garden. No matter your region, timing and placement are critical for success. Direct sow or start indoors. Root crops like carrots and parsnips should be sown directly into the soil as they don't transplant well. They'll be crooked and all sorts of messed up, while turnips and beets grow well in clumps started indoors. Leafy greens and brassicas, too, can be started indoors and moved outside once established. Except for carrots and cover crops like nitrogen fixers like peas and beans, I begin all my seeds indoors. Overcrowding can stunt growth and invite pests, so follow the spacing guidelines for each plant and give large crops like zucchini and pumpkins plenty of room to spread. Now, let's talk water. While water may be less of an issue in cold, temperate regions than warmer areas, it's still a precious resource throughout Australia. Here's how to make every drop count. Mulch your garden beds. Use a thick layer of organic mulch like straw or bark or shredded leaves around your plants. Mulch keeps the soil cool, reduces evaporation, and prevents weeds from competing for water. Aim for 5 to 8 centimeters of cover. Water your garden early in the morning or late in the afternoon. This reduces evaporation and allows plants to absorb the moisture that they need before the sun pulls it away. Focus on the base of the plants to get water directly to the roots. If possible, install drip irrigation system. These systems deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste and ensuring consistent hydration. They're perfect for both warmer and cold temperate gardens. Cold temperate regions often see more rainfall, so consider installing a rainwater tank. It's an eco-friendly way to store water for the drier months and reduces your reliance on main water systems. In warm temperate areas, protect your plants from scorching sun by using shade cloth or repurposing old bed sheets. This prevents heat stress and reduces water loss through evaporation. With a bit of planning, your garden can thrive no matter where you are in temperate Australia, warm or cold. There's a fantastic variety of vegetables you can grow, and with these water-saving strategies, you can do it sustainably. So grab your seeds, get planting, and don't forget to mulch and water wisely. There's nothing more rewarding than harvesting your own fresh produce. So knowing you've grown it with care and respect for your environment is even better.